Your feet are the first ones to be noticed by anyone you meet, especially when you like to wear open shoes or flip-flops. We usually take extra care of the complexion of our face and completely neglects our feet. There are many reasons for dark, dry and dull feet, such as dirt, pollution, sun exposure, medication, inflammation. Here are some of the best DIY home remedies to whiten dark feet. These hacks will get you silky white feet and get rid of wrinkles, cracked heels and dark spots on your feet. You will be surprised, it is not hard to achieve a gorgeous looking feet after all. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and hit the bell button to keep you notified and updated with our latest videos. We are trying our best to give you the most informative beauty-related videos, regularly. 1. Use raw milk to whiten feet. Raw milk is the easiest and effective home remedy to whiten your skin. It acts as a whitening agent as it contains lactic acid. It also removes dead cells from the skin and also works as a great moisturizer. Massage raw milk on your feet and wash after 20 minutes. Another method is to soak a cotton pad in raw milk and dab it onto your feet. It will collect the dirt from the skin. Leave it for 15 minutes, and rinse it off with normal water thereafter. Repeat this regularly to get desired results. 2. Mix aloe vera gel and almond oil. Aloe vera gel is a multi-purpose and miraculous home remedy to feet whitening and softens your feet. Mix aloe vera gel and almond oil, and then rub it onto your hands and feet. Leave it overnight for the best results. If you don't want to leave it overnight, then keep it for at least 40 minutes and wash off with cold water. 3. Cucumber juice and lemon juice. Mix cucumber juice and lemon juice in equal proportions and massage it onto your hands and feet. Keep it for 20 minutes and wash it off with cold water. 4. Use tomatoes. Tomatoes give wonderful whitening results for your feet. Just rub a tomato slice on your feet, it's that simple. Leave it for around 20 minutes to get the best results. 5. Use sandalwood powder. Sandalwood is also a skin lightening agent. It will give cooling effect on your feet along with skin whitening. Mix 2 to 4 spoons of sandalwood powder with raw milk and apply this pack onto your feet for 20 minutes and wash off with normal water. 6. Lemon for feet whitening. Lemon is another bleaching agent to whiten your skin naturally. Cut a lemon in half, sprinkle a pinch of salt onto lemon and gently rub onto your feet. Add salt to help in removing dead cells, and lemon will brighten your skin. 7. Use potato for feet whitening. Yes, the same potatoes we eat as French fries is a natural bleaching agent that turns your dark skin to the lighter one. It reduces pigmentation due to sun exposure and dirt. Rub fresh potato slices along with the peel and wash after 10 minutes. 8. Use yogurt. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which is a very effective bleaching agent. Apply yogurt and leave it for 15 minutes and wash thereafter. You can also add honey to enhance its effects. 9. Use gram flour. Gram flour or chickpea flour is another remedy packed with ample nutrients which removes excessive oil and leaves your feet smooth and shiny. Make a pack by mixing 2 spoons flour with rose water. Apply this pack to feet till it gets dry and washes it off with normal water. Add these bonus tips to the above natural ingredients and you will surely achieve a silky soft baby-like looking feet. Drink plenty of water every day. Have a healthy and balanced diet. Use sunscreen before going out. Clean your feet every day before going to bed. Do not use a lot of cosmetics. Daily exercise. Do not move out in the sun after bleaching. Sleep at least for 8 hours. Moisturize your feet every day. Above are some very easy DIY home remedies to whiten feet. These items are easily available in our kitchen and are good alternatives to the expensive creams available in the market. Go ahead and follow these easy and simple tips to achieve the white feet you've been dreaming of. Follow at least one home remedy every day to get the best results. These DIY hacks are simple and low cost, which can be easily affordable by anybody. Instead of spending hours and money in the parlor, try these tips and get beautiful feet at home. Do you know any other DIY feet whitening hacks? If yes, please share it in the comments section down below. Make sure to like or share this video with your friends to inform them as well. Thanks for watching The Health Room.